Hey there, pantry enthusiasts! If you've ever wondered how to keep your kitchen stocked and your family prepared for anything, you're in the right place. Building a well-stocked pantry isn't just about convenience, it's about peace of mind, saving money, and making sure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Today, we're diving into 30 must-have grocery items you'll want on your shelves before prices soar. With rising costs and unpredictable supply chains, having these essentials on hand can make a world of difference for your household. Whether you're new to stockpiling or a seasoned pro, this guide is packed with practical picks for shelf life, meal flexibility, and a dependable pantry. We'll cover everything from basics like rice and pasta to overlooked staples that can stretch your meals and your budget. Every item is chosen for longevity, versatility, and the ability to keep you well fed, even if your local store's supply chain hits a snag. We'll also share tips on how to rotate your stock, check expiration dates, and avoid waste. From dried beans to shelf-stable milk, we'll break down the science and strategy behind each selection. You'll learn why these foods are pantry powerhouses, and how they can help you create nutritious, satisfying meals, even in a pinch. Don't wait until prices jump or shelves go bare. Let's get strategic. Taking action now means you'll be ready for price hikes, shortages, or unexpected emergencies, all while keeping your meals delicious and stress-free. Remember, this content is for informational purposes only. Always consult qualified professionals for major decisions. Let's get started and build a pantry that works for you and your loved ones. Let's start with the classic, rice. This humble grain has been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries, and for good reason. Rice is the ultimate shelf-stable carbohydrate, lasting up to 30 years if stored properly. It's a pantry essential that's always ready when you need it, making it perfect for both everyday meals and emergency situations. Whether you prefer white, jasmine, basmati, or brown, these versatile grains are the foundation for countless meals. Each variety brings its own unique flavor and texture, so you can always find the right rice for any recipe. Rice soaks up flavors beautifully and stretches proteins or veggies into hearty, satisfying dishes. From stir-fries to casseroles, it's the ingredient that ties everything together and makes meals more filling. It's not just a side dish, it's dinner insurance. With rice on hand, you can always whip up something nourishing, even when your fridge is nearly empty. In a pinch, rice can be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Just add leftovers and seasoning. Its adaptability means you'll never run out of meal ideas, no matter what time of day. Next up, dried beans. Beans are a budget-friendly, shelf-stable protein source that can last for years. They take more prep than canned, but offer more flavor, less sodium, and better value. Chili, soups, veggie burgers, salads, beans are endlessly adaptable. Bonus, sprout them for a fresh crunch if you're out of greens. Pasta isn't just for college dorms. It's a staple found in kitchens around the world, loved by home cooks and chefs alike for its versatility and convenience. These dried noodles are flexible, beloved, and last up to 2 years when stored well. They're perfect for stocking up, always ready to save the day when you need a meal in minutes. Spaghetti, penne, orzo, gluten-free, variety keeps things interesting. There's a shape and style for every craving, making pasta a true crowd pleaser. Pair with canned tomatoes, olive oil, or whatever's on hand for a quick meal. You can dress it up with fresh veggies, cheese, or herbs for extra flavor. Pasta is quick, filling, and kid-approved. It brings everyone to the table, making weeknight dinners easy and satisfying. It also works as a base for cold salads or baked casseroles. No matter the season or occasion, pasta is always ready to shine in your kitchen. Canned vegetables are the unsung heroes of the pantry. Harvested at peak ripeness, they lock in nutrients and save you from wilted produce. Toss them into soups, casseroles, or serve as simple sides. With a few seasonings, they rival fresh veggies. Let's sweeten the pot with canned fruits. Packed in juice or light syrup, they provide vitamins and a taste of summer year-round. Use them for desserts, salads, smoothies, or as a treat straight from the can. Canned meats are a pantry game changer. Tuna, chicken, ham, or salmon. These cans pack protein and turn simple meals into feasts. Shelf-stable for years, they're perfect for sandwiches, salads, or casseroles. When the fridge is empty, these cans won't let you down. Peanut butter is more than a sandwich spread. It's energy-dense, protein-rich, and lasts for years in a cool, dark place. Great for snacks, smoothies, or savory sauces. No refrigeration needed until opened. Rolled oats aren't just for breakfast. They're great for baking and snacking too. With a long shelf life, oats offer a fiber-rich base for everything from overnight oats to granola bars. Quick to cook and endlessly customizable. No cows? No problem. Shelf-stable milk and milk powder are your answer. They last for months or years and work in baking, cooking, or coffee. Just add water to powdered milk for instant dairy. Flour is the cornerstone of homemade breads, pancakes, and more. Properly stored, all-purpose flour lasts up to a year. Longer if frozen. A basic bag unlocks a world of culinary possibilities. Sugar is a natural preservative and essential for jams, sauces, and baked goods. Stored in a sealed container, it lasts indefinitely and is a must-have for any pantry. Salt is the oldest preservation tool in the book. It keeps food safe, brings out flavor, and never goes bad if stored dry. Essential for cooking, brining, fermenting, and even emergency cleaning. No kitchen is complete without a good bottle of oil. Olive, canola, or vegetable oil are crucial for sautéing, baking, and dressings. Store in a cool, dark spot for months of smooth cooking. Honey is practically immortal, never spoils, and brings sweetness and medicinal benefits. Drizzle on oats, sweeten tea, or use in baking and glazes. A pantry staple you'll never regret. Coffee and tea are more than rituals. They're comfort in a cup. Stored dry and airtight, they last for ages. Stock up for a morale boost and a taste of normalcy. Spices are the paint to your culinary canvas. Even just salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chili flakes can transform simple ingredients. Store in a cool, dry place for years of flavor variety. Canned soups and stews are the ultimate in convenience. Complete meals in a can, ready to heat and eat. Keep a variety for quick lunches or no-cook nights. Instant noodles are the go-to for quick-filling meals. Long shelf life and easy prep. Just add hot water. Toss in canned veggies or leftover proteins for a heartier meal. Baking powder and soda aren't just for baking. They're great for cleaning too. Properly stored, both last for years and are essential for baked goods and kitchen chores. Shelf-stable juice boxes and bottles offer hydration and a vitamin boost. They last for months and are easy to portion for emergencies or on-the-go sips. Crackers are the unsung heroes of snack time and meal supplements. Pair with soups, cheese, or peanut butter, sealed, they stay crisp for months. Handy for quick lunches or curbing hunger between meals. Granola and protein bars are portable nutrition at its finest. Packed with energy, they last for months and are perfect for busy days or emergencies. Dried fruit is shelf-stable, nutrient-dense, and perfect for snacking or baking. Raisins, apricots, and cranberries add a chewy, sweet kick to oats or trail mixes. Nuts and seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses, packed with protein and healthy fats. Stored airtight, they last long and are great for snacking or topping dishes. Shelf-stable options like Parmesan wedges or processed cheese spreads are perfect when refrigeration isn't an option. They keep for months and add flavor to pasta, crackers, or casseroles. Vinegar is a natural preservative for pickling and a powerful non-toxic cleaner. White, apple cider, or balsamic vinegar lasts indefinitely and adds acidity to recipes. Canned tomatoes are the MVP of sauces, soups, and stews. Their acidity preserves them for years, making them a reliable flavor base. Broth, liquid powder or cubes, is the backbone of countless comfort foods. Shelf-stable and lightweight, it adds instant flavor to rice, soups, or mashed potatoes. Freeze-dried meals are the ultimate backup plan. Lightweight, requiring only hot water, they last for decades when stored properly. Perfect for emergencies or camping, they offer peace of mind for anyone prepared. Last, but absolutely not least, water. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. No pantry is complete without it.